Joining me now with more from the opening bell podium is Jessica Kearney. She's a VP of Public Policy at Travelers. Jessica, welcome and thanks so much for joining. A major milestone moment for your company. What does this mean?
You know, it's so great to be here celebrating the 15th anniversary of the Travelers Institute. It's our public policy division at Travelers, and we take on all sorts of public policy issues that intersect with our industry, and it's a great 15 years, marks a significant milestone for us, so we're excited to celebrate it.
Congratulations. 15 years is definitely something to celebrate. And when we talk about some of the ways that this institute in particular is helping leaders navigate challenges, what is the role that it plays?
Absolutely. So as our public policy division, we come from a company, Travelers, that has more than 170 years in business, so more than 170 years of risk management expertise. Lifting insights across our 30,000 employees at the company, we really get to bottle all of those insights and host forums and dialogues that take on important public policy issues, things like cybersecurity, auto safety, and so much more.
And the Institute is here at the Stock Exchange today for the Forces at Work Symposium. What more can you share with us about this event?
Yeah, so this one's really special to us. I think like many folks after the pandemic, there was really, a look at, we spend so much of our lives at work, what can we do to really arm leaders to talk about issues in wellness. We leverage insights from workers' compensation, mental health, and other issues. So we're actually heading upstairs in about 10 minutes to do a symposium on our forces at work and talk about worker mental health, which we think is it's a great opportunity to raise awareness.
Travelers does now have a webinar and even a new podcast series. How are you finding that these mediums really help get the message out there?
Yeah, so I think it's made it really accessible for folks. We've done more than 140 webinars. They're free and open to the public. Folks can register at travelersinstitute.org. And same thing on the go, Travelers Institute Risk and Resilience podcast. It's been a really great way to get messaging out and connect with folks.
For our viewers watching today, wondering what Travelers is all about holistically and its presence here at the Stock Exchange, what would you tell them?
Yeah, I would say we show up for our customers in some of their worst moments, and we have the Travelers promise to take care of our customers, our employees, and each other. So as a leader in the property casualty insurance space, we're just really thrilled to be advancing these really important conversations on insurance and financial services more broadly.
How would you describe the state of the market and sector right now?
I think today we're here to talk about worker mental health, and I think one of the things that we're excited about is that we know that if you want to be your best in insurance or in financial services, you have to bring your best self to work and to your family, and so that's why we're really talking about worker mental health today.
Jessica, it's great to have you join us here at the New York Stock Exchange. That is Jessica Kearney. She's a VP of Public Policy at Travelers. Jessica, thanks again.